Like, share, and subscribe to Imhotep.
ኣወዳት ኣብ ተወሰነ ዕድመ ምስ በፅሑ ያው ካብ ወዲ ናብ ሰብኣይ ክቕየሩ እንከለዉ ማለት እዩ ብዛዕባ ሴክሹዋሊቲ ብዛዕባ ናይ ነብሶም ምፍላጥ ገለሲ ብዛዕባ ሲ እንታይ መልእኽቲ ትህብዎ ንዘን ደቂ 7 ዓመት ደቂ 8 ዓመት ደለዉ ቆልዑት ዘለዎን መብዛሕትኦም ሕጂ 7 ዓመት 9 ዓመት 6 ዓመት ገሊኦም ዝብሉ እቶም ኣወዳት ዘለዎም እንጂ ኣብታ 12-13 ኣብ ዝበፅሕሉ እዋን ዝመፅእ ዘሎ ለውጥታት ከመይ ጌርክን ታክል ጌርክንኦ እንታይ ክትብላ ትኽእላ ነቲ ኣብኡ ዘጋጠመክን ቻለንጅ መምሃሪ ክኾነ ንዘን ዝቀራረባ ዘለዋ ደቂ ኣንስትዮ
ሕራይ ኣነኮ ብዙሕ ቴራፒታት ስለዝነበረና ብዙሕ ኣይተሸገርኩን ተተሸገርኩን ክሳብ ክንድኡ ተሸግር ኣይነበረን ግን ሓደ ዝሕግዘኒ ዝነበረ ኣብቲ ግዜቲ compression underwear compression t-shirt ንጥቀም ነርና ማለት እዩ ከምዚ ነቲ ፍረ ነብሶም ቀጥ ኣቢሉ ዝሕዝ ነገር ነቲ ነብሶም ቀጥ ኣቢሉ ዝሕዝ ነገር recommend ተገይሩኒ ንዓይ ብጣዕሚ ዝሓገዘኒ ነገር ማለት እዩ ክሳብ ዝሰዓት እዚ እውን compression underwear እዩ ዝገብር ወደይ ማለት እዩ እዚ ሓጊዙኒ ክበልፈቱ
ዩዘር ትብልዮ ነገር ኣለክ ድዩ
ንእምሩት ክሓታዶ ኣብ ኸላ ከይወደት እቲ ኮምፕሬሽን አንደርዌር እንታይ ትሕግዞም ክሰምዕ ደሊ ወለድስ ብዙሕ ክህሉ እዮም ሸባብዚ
ከምዚ እቲ I don't know if I'm allowed to say it ግን እቲ ፍረ ነብሶም ክስታይ ክብል ከሎ እቲ ሆርሞን ክገብር ከሎ እንዴት ስምዒታት ገለ ፍረ ነብሶም ክስታይ ክብል ከሎስ ከምዚ ከመይ ክገልጾ ቀጣቢሊ ዝሕዞም ኣነ
ናይ ቦታቶም ክመፅኦም ከሎ በለ ድሓር ርድእ እዩ
okay thank you ከም ክኸውን ከሎስ እቲ underwear ከምዚ ብፕሬሸር ክስታይ ስለዘብሎስ ብዙሕ ኣይተሸገርኩን ኣነ ድሓር ጎኒ ከዓ ከምዚ ABA therapy ነይሩኒ ሂፖቴራፒ ነይሩኒ physical PT OT speech ስለዝነበረና ኩሉ ግዜ እንድሕር ፍረ ነብሶ ክሕዝ ደልዩ redirect እንዳገበርና ኖኮም ኣይግበርኒ don't touch yourself እንዳበልና እሰን እውን ከምኡ እንዳበላ ተማሂሩ ጠጠው የብል ነይሩ ማለት እዩ ሕጅስ ከም ንዓይ ዝርዳእኒ እቲ አንደርዌር ከምዚ sensory processing disorder ስለዘለዎ ወደስ ንኩሉ ነገር ይሕግዞ ነይሩ ኣነ በዛ ነገር እዚኣ ብዙሕ ለውጢ ርኤ ማለት እዩ ወዲ 8 ዓመት ከሎስ በቃ እንታይ ነገር እዚ ንባዕለይ እውን ርድኢት ኣይነበረንን ብዙሕ ድሓር ምስ ሓተትኩ ግን ከምዚ ግበር ምስ ተባሃልኩ እዚ ነገር እዚ ንዓይ ብጣዕሚ ዝሓገዘኒ ነገር ማለት እዩ
I think mine is different a little bit. Mine's a little bit different. So my husband is also here and helps a lot too. But for us, he has a psychologist and he had some help at school too. And what they did, it's natural. I mean, that's something that's natural that because it's a social disorder, it doesn't mean their body stops growing or their desire stops coming. So what they did was kind of to redirect him to the restroom if he needs to self-stimulate himself, and because it's natural and it has to happen, but he was directed to the restroom every time he was starting to, but with that they also controlled the times that he went and when he went, so he knows when. So now they taught us, the psychologist taught us how to do that and be able to we put a clock in the bathroom and it kind of goes off, so it's a little alarm, and so that helps. I mean, that's part of nature, and they have to endure that, and it has to happen. But we didn't try the compression underwear at all with my son. We just let him do the natural things that needed to happen in order for him. It's part of manhood, and his started at 15, and now he's just gradually kind of coming off of self-stimulating himself a lot, and now it's just in the evening in his bed, so it's kind of different, and he's learning that to be able to regulate himself that way. But I feel like just having help at school is very important for me, and being able to communicate with his school, with his psychologist, with his therapist, and just to understand. And then after understanding that, how we can regulate that so that he's not doing it anywhere we're at or everywhere we're at. So I think like getting them in a routine, and my son goes off routine. And so if his routine is that's what, get up in the morning, brush your teeth, take a shower, then if he fall off that routine, everything gets disrupted in his world. So, but I feel like it's natural, and that was like something my husband and I both agreed on, that it's natural and it needs to happen. And he's growing, his body's growing, his hormones are changing. So these are things that are going to occur, but how do we manage it so that he still contains himself, a little bit of independence for himself too, and not restrict him from what is out there, what is happening with his body, what the changes that are happening with his body. I think that's about it. Yeah.
استي أنا كنت أنت فوكس قبل توب إنجليش ده تردو ده لكم سبات من البات ولا أوتيزم ما بترجم لهم تخريخي أصلاً عنده حكون بقول مزحتكم تردو خوين سمعني ميست قبركم من جوز الله مثلني طبعا أنت فوكس قبل دليل الله أنا أرتي مجمرة أرتي لك إذا نقدر زخجمرن كله وين ستاتو تاتشيم سلف أبو زنبرة وانسي تتشالنج أبو زنبرة أنت هتكبر على كاد حرايمو على بوتهم تمرت بيت كهون خيليو مساخير لون 24 ساعات سو أبناء جزاء بقلم من قد جاك تحزو إخاء ناي بيت تمرت خاء كم تكبر بزعبوت نقرون زين عدتات يا صبو تقراري بنك أنا حام أنت مالتينو so the high can you don't have to feel shy كلام نتزاربون كلهم natural نجاريو the challenge ده خمس سلسخون خاني تاكل جبر اللون تاكل نهجورو خاني somebody has to tell them كم زين
Exactly. Yeah, it's just not, it's that for my son when he started, we noticed it. So did his teacher. So it was a struggle. It was a fight. He's very strong. I'm shorter than him, so he's bigger than me. But with my husband, he's able to say, no, we don't do that in public, because he just because he doesn't verbalize does not mean he doesn't understand. So he understands some of our commands, and we don't do that, not here. And then once he starts to do that, so his teacher's advice and also the psychologist is, she said, to redirect him to do other stuff and change his mood somewhere else. But sometimes you can't. And sometimes you can't. And if you let them, they're going to think that, okay, so if I behave this way, they're going to let me do what I want and when I want. So his psychologist came up with, like I said, it's like a bakery clock thing. And she said, okay. And she, when she saw him starting to self-stimmy, she took him to the bathroom, and she turned on the clock for him in the bathroom. And he did what he needed to do to stimulate himself and to get it out of his system. And then once it rings, he knows that he's supposed to stop and wash his hands. So she walks in, because he doesn't know at that time, because he's new to it. But she walks in because she can hear it. And she said, okay, all done. We're all done. Come on, let's wash our hands. And then he washes his hands and he walks out. So but it's not saying, I'm not saying that he learned it in one day. it was like about 6 to 7 months. And it's hard because they're very strong. At that point in time, they're very strong and very willful. And they have a tremendous amount of strength, these kids, when they're not happy or they don't get what they want. I don't know if that answered your question or not, but I'm just
yes.
it. Yeah.
ጽቡቅ ኣለኺ ዩዘር ግን እንታይ ክብለክ ደለሲ ሕጂሲ ኣብ ቤት ትምህርትን ኣብ ገዛን ማለት እዩ ትጥቀሙሉ ነበርኩም ሜቶድ ደሴም ወይ ሪስትሪክሽን ክትገብሩ ከለኹም ወይ ከዓ ነቲ ፕሮሰስ ኮነሉ ዝግባእ ነበርስ ደሴም ነይሩ ማለት እዩ
Yes, we got the same. His teacher sent me the link, and she said, this is what we're using in school. And so I went to Home Goods and bought it, and we use it. So she says, as soon as you see him starting to kind of steps to me, just say, hey, we don't do that here in public, okay? We got to go to the restroom. And then we walk to the restroom, and he does it. And even grandma, she speaks to him in Tigrinya, and he understands her. And, you know, even like Adetatna, you know, they would get, she gets kind of flustered at first when she first started, but after a while she's like, yes, it's normal. He's a grown boy. Of course he's going to feel this way. And so I showed her how to do it. So if in case we're not home, and she turns it on for him and it clicks and he's done. So 15 minutes in the bathroom, you better be done, and then get up and you say all done and wash your hands. And she speaks to him in Tigrinya, so he understands Tigrinya too.
How often happen قبل نيرو أرت مجمرة?
At first it was at school they only allowed it for 2 times. They would give him 2 times and that's it. And then they said, since we're doing 2 times, you guys should do 2 times too. And I'm like, even weekends, because weekends he's home all day. But we know we don't stay home a lot. We usually take him out. We are hiking and stuff. So I said, okay, we can do this. It was a battle because weekends are longer for us because he's home with us all day and all evening. So, but after a struggle, he was doing it 3 times at home. But we kind of you know, tapered down to 2 days, like, or 2 times a day, and then like them. And now he, you know, in the evening, in his bed is the only time he does in the evening. So he's tapered down to 1 time, and he's now 24.
ሕጂሲ كأتو خمسة لو تفرطوا له وانسي انتي ملكتات مسرح هاي تو تبلو ويس it was like كم روتين توصلنا ساعات تغيروا نيرو.
No, he starts to touch himself. He starts to like he understands, and he looks at me or my husband or his brother or sister. He'll look at them like, I know I need to do something, and I know I feel like I need to do something, and the way he just looks at you, you know something's coming, and then he just starts to touch himself, and then sometimes nowadays he, you know, like I said, he goes to bed, but before he used to run to the restroom, and he'll take the clock, but he doesn't know how to wind it up, so we know that if the clock is gone, then that means he's there, so we go in there and we wind it up for him. And he's ready. So most of the time, the sign is he starts to touch himself, and he, you know, starts to stimmy himself, or starts to, you know, feel on himself.
Yeah, well, I think
I think somebody teased asking for a safe place. Yes, always safe place. We don't do it outside when we're going shopping or anything like that. He knows, and he doesn't. It's so weird that, you know, when you give them a routine, they know, either at school or home, and things change. That's when things change, and that's when they get dysregulated and get upset. So if we're going on holiday, if we're going on vacation, it changes. It changes for him, and like big time. So when we're outside the house, if we're in a hotel, usually he knows the bathroom, and we take the clock with us too when we're going away. But if we're out for the day, though, we don't. He knows we're out for the day, we're busy enjoying ourselves. And most of the time it's when he's mellowed and relaxed and calm. So it's not when we're active. So if we're active all day, if we're hiking all day or playing all day or he's swimming all day, it doesn't come into his mind. And, you know, I think like most natural people, it's when you relax, you start to think about and start touching yourself. And then that's how I feel like this is how he gets it started.
Sorry, it's not safety. نودخي انتاش مديكونه اتوم كم زعينت challenge نحرالو خوينس اتوم ما بيغان دلو let's see how safe are they لا حديثا.
Yeah, I agree with her.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I thought she was asking me, but yeah, I agree with her. And does she give them time to do this? Does she understand this?
She understand it now because Ma'ala in a way.
Yeah. Very much in danger. Yeah, that's so sad. It's very sad because I even get worried about when I leave him with people I know. Like, it's so sweet. We have friends of ours that say, hey, you guys go out on a date, we'll take care of your son. You guys, you know, but I'm calling every minute. Is he okay? Is he doing this? Does he need this? Even when I leave him with my daughter and my son, is he okay? And you know, they say, Mom, stop. You know, because we know our child, we know everything that's going to happen. And the fact that you can place all this in somebody you don't know in a country that you can't fly overnight or even in a few hours is very scary.
جميلة ناسك ديبي خيم because منالبات حتوتات كهلو كفاريو إذا كان سنع قبرك كسر زغنة إن بزحات عديتات كألهن زي ندهر بلي تحاتتنا حتى ندهر له so you might ask مناتو كم كال حتى كم زي إيمو خزارب سمعيني أنا هنسب سيتم قلت سي كم زي عانت أجمعتي هلوم early age they start to touch themselves قال إلوي زارب ميرو مالتي حجي أنا understand قبره حالكم مناتو قلتهم كلوس كم زي بزح سبس كمان رياكت يقبرني ولا نحن هم بزح رياكت يقبرنا لكن عصر تخلته كابول على خون كله جن ياو رياكت يقبرها إن رزقه بيجر توصلها قلتهم كله بزحات عديثات كم زي وري دي خونين بزعبا زي قلعة كم تتقبرن كله and أنت يكتب لهم تخدنوا
Is the question for me? Okay, so I mean, don't be worried. It's natural. It's like I said. So autism is a social disorder. So it doesn't mean their body is frozen there. Their body is growing. Like when they start to grow hair, it's weird for them. Like my son was so irritated that there was hair and it was like itchy for him. So you know, speak with your doctor. See what is something that you can do to help with the hair growing, or you know, I don't do powder or anything like that. He's not medicated or anything, so I just, you know, we just put a little bit of Vaseline so he can ignore it, and then, but this is it's part of nature. It's part of growing up. It's part of them being themselves and being who they are. That's part of the special part of that. Them is that there's nothing changes just because they're autistic.
ولا تقرينيا كزارب خبداس لزغنا بإنجليش زارب دلاتهم تقرينيا تقولوا لهم.
Sorry.
سأجمع هنا تسأجمع تسي قلعتكم زي كعابيون كلوس جبر خوصون كله يسقموا يوم نفسهم كتنكفون كله كم ولاد صحة كم يجرب عليهم كم دلكات تيما سعد لانو تا إمرت كده بري نقولت أنا حتى إننا هجي أو يزر ترحس لزلا أو بإنجليش كا تسمم ويهم كا إنجليش تما هروها أنا نتايزي قليل إن دخلنا إنجليش شو كابشات شايف اللي سجاب 10 تغلط تما هركم هم إنجليش حبيب
250 سبالبز 250 سبالبزي إنجليش دردا كل يخيل بزح دردا خا كل سلة دخيل أعتقد بتقرني أعتقد لهم تصبوي
هم ترجمت زي ترجموا أوتيزم مع أستو توم إنجليش
ترى بلا خنا قرم
أوكي
أنا بزح يزاربني زي خبها أنا حسي نتنا تقرني أسمعكم ما يخو تحطو خا عودات نايودات سلرخون زمالتي زي كزرب صنحه كوغو بزخلوس نفسهم كتنكفو يجمرو كمتي افتي بيبرتي وكافتنا مغباز ادم مسوطحو مالتي حجيتا اقدما بلا روت ام روت دبلتو كمز بتانتيلو نتفر نفسهم سي دصوتو حجي نسو نفسهم كقاصرو يحجزو ميلان ودات تطقمتلو مالتي يا حفتنا يوزركا بانجلش كزارب صنحت مالتي أنا جن كوميتات تي سمعتاتو كتسكتسي تفتراو سلدخونه كن كم هنجورس عيد لنان حجي مس بعل بيتا وسينو تقولع كم سو نتاش من داكو بزسي نتاش مكبر مالتي تي تفترس كم فطر تي دقبر كجبر أفكيدنا له أبيت مرتين مس ثيرابي مس بيت مرتي كلاتهم نساتهم كأبجزا تروتين حدا روتين جيرهم مالتي أبيت مرتي كلتا جزينا بشنت بيت كيدو نفسه انتاش مقبر مالتي كقالل يفقدوا نيرو ساعات يمولون 15 دقائق 15 دقائق مسودت ساعات قر مسبلت نعاودو صايخ لك ساعات اخيل يبال مالتي بدحري ግን እታ ጭር مسبلت ساعات ተማሂሮ مالتي اوكي دو كبلا علني يدي تحاصيبو تخديني وص اب ገዛኻ ልክ እነታ ናይ ቤት ትምህርቲ ሚረር ገብርዋ ነይሮም مالتي نعوسي حد عينة خلول منتي إتا ساعات ولا خلو انتاش ميقورو لنيرو أب غزا خالك عكومو حجيقن داقو بزسلين متسي نفسون كو قادة ترجميرو أب مريك أسيو وكاش انتبت آتيو بعلو انتاش ميقبرالو اعتو لنا تني حفتنا بسو كلتي اوسي كلتي ولدي كلتي أسرار حلو مالت هادي كمزي تسبب دبالي compression underwear دبالتنا حفتنا عنتو مالتيو تخدينو بنتسميتاتهم كتصاطوه اتيوم ناي يوزر حفتنا فاميلي خا نو تفطرو سلدخونه سي تفطرو خن عقتو يدلنا سلدبولو خا افكيدو مودو بعلو خا ندعبي ندغورح مسمصه نفسو تاش مخيلو بعلي قطاطرلو ترديكم خون تسفا قبر بعل حبيب اوتيزم مام
ثانك يو نتي جرم دنك زخونه اترباما user. Yeah, sure.
Okay. Has he ever shown interest in like his girl peers to do the same, or have you seen it, or from his teachers? I just want to know.
When he was 15, he will touch women's breasts. It doesn't matter who it is. He'll touch the breast. I don't know if it's interest in breasts. I don't know what it is, but again, it's the hormones. Again, it's the change in their body. But not, not in the pubic area or anything like that, but in the breast. He was doing that for about 6 months. And then what the teacher and I agreed to do was to just kind of change, to redirect him somewhere else, and we tell him no, not appropriate touch. No, not appropriate touch, and so kind of keep redirecting him. But otherwise, he probably does. And I can't, he can't be able to express to me that, oh mom, I think that girl over there is beautiful or hot, but he hasn't touched, anybody else in their pubic area or anything like that. But like I said, for about 6 months, the breasts were a big interest for him. I have no idea. But when we kept redirecting him, he just suddenly he stopped.
Thank you.
ناي قوالكا I think autism ما منقر كنا نيركي المثل حبيب أنا سمعكم فقدني أنت راقنكي نقولكي كم يركي لامد كم نقر كنا
ناي كود حتى تنيتي ناي period ناي ديتا تاخمت تخلص قادم يلبطو قبل إبن السوتات موتي ናይ ኣንደርዌር ድልጠፍ ነገር ገና ካብ 9 ዓመት ገለ ከላ ከም ወሪ ይኸውን ስለ ዝነበርኩ ባዕላ ቴኬር ኣይትገብርን ወይ ኣብ ፓብሊክ ፕሌስ ገለ ከይትገብር ስክፍታ ስለ ዝነበረኒ ኩሉ ግዜ የርያ ነይረ ሶ ኣብ 11 ዓመታ 12 ተኣቱ ከላ ጀሚርዋ ግን ካብ 9 ጀሚረ ምሳይ እውን ሽቃቅ ሒዘየ ኣቱ ነይረ እቲ ፓድ ከመይ ጌርካ ትጥቕልሎ ገለ የደርኣኽዋ ኩለን ተንዳዓለምኩ እያ ትገብር ሕጂ ካልእ እውን እንታይ ለነይረ ፔሪድ ፓንቲስ ትበሃል ኣሎ ከምዚ ናይ ወዳት ቁምጣ ድመስል ስጋዕ ክልተ ታምፖን ክዕቁር ድኽእል ማለት እዩ ሶ ኣብ ልዕሊ እቲ ፓድ ከዓ ከም ሴፍቲ ትምህርታት ከይድ ከላ ንሱ ህባ ሰንተን ድገዛእናየን ንበይነን ኣብ ሓደ ድሮወር ድገብረን እጅ ፔሪድ ክመፅእ ከሎ ፔሪድ መፂኒ ኢላ ንዓንያ ትጥቀም ማለት እዩ ኣብ ልዕሊ እቲ ፓድ ሶ ፅፍፍቲኣ ቤት ትምህርታት ከይድ ከላ እቲ ፔሪዳ ክመፅእ ክቐርብ ከሎ ፓኬጅ ኣለና ኩሉ ነገር ዋይፕስ ንሕዝ እቲ ፓድ ንሕዝ ኩሉ ጥርኑፍ ስለ ዝኾነ ኣብቲ ስኩል ባግ እትያቶ እያ ትኸይድ ትፈልጥ እያ ንትምህርቲ ክትከይድ ከላ
بس حجي تريا خلها تي باد أب أندورا خميرة تقول لك خلها تريا خلها سي نسخي بيريد كلك خطر يانيركي ولا أو خلها كم زي جبر
no يريانير every month يريانير مساي تأتو whatever when I change يريا نعيلة يريا بلاد تقول كم زي تلا ما مدو تفلت أنيرا أفتنا كم سكونة شعو أنا تن typical قلعين كمان دشجرو خاطبي أونس كنقرأكم زياتهم if you train them right مستنقل أتدق يخينات نيرو نخت إنك عملت كاب أنا لعلي so تشوفوا فاتيهم تريت فوتوهم very neatهم كل نجار تريت سلوزفوتو تدر أخيم تشوف نجار يحزوا يوم structure نحرار يخيم لأن التدرارات كله لبل جريه إيه عبيت قبرو عبرابي يخون تيشيرت لونج سليف قال لك قدم قنا نشتاق الله دمهار كوا حجة تتكمل لي أخلو
I think repetitive انت عشان مسيء بقى مهاريهم تراك الدقاقة مالو
هو حنساب كأمس كستايم سكونة يحيزهم ما يمزنوا بقى تدفلت وانا قرد تعلموا وامو زتلما مد وانا قرد يقبريهم كاباخا خمان ايدلينيوم مالت independently تقبروا مبزحتهم قولوا انحرار إخايم تراث إيدا خمكا خي تحللكا نادا قاقمكا سقعد تقبروا تبقوا عزالكا
Thank you Autism Mom appreciate it تودلكم ترى لهم كين كولد دزي
هو كاب تحت حطوا له كمزي I think مي يوزر سي نتاعنا حتى هلا مسلكي كورس ترى في تقييم كتفرت في يزبل حتى مسينيرو so
horse therapy
هو horse therapy لك حتى هلا
horse therapy
Like force or horse? I'm not.
no horse
back riding horseback riding
Oh, riding? Yeah. We tried. He didn't like it. He was scared of it. The thing with him is he's spatial and he's very aware of his space and his safety. So he doesn't like to be that high. But he tried it. We tried 2 Saturdays and it wasn't for him.
أنا كوسو خلو أبزناي horseback riding تتقيمنا لينا نحنا لما تحجزوا عند حريلكم تابعيا completely 360 تغيروا it's aggression اشتاي كلا because she wasn't non-verbal نيرو أبيت مرتت بأستك على صم طاولة تقلبت ألم قال نيرا تشجر نيرا دحر أبتي horseback riding سأتخوا therapy بتعمل صبوك يا رميم قصنا له بتعجزت مالتيو حدا بإجر دحست حدا نتي فرس دود حدا حقوقا كي تهرم دحزيو السنة تفرس نحدرتنا وعلت دقيسا نتج أجرو مساج كتقبرو جميرة مالتيو تحقوس جميرة يخبرك إمبر نتي it has a soothing effect على إنكم قلعوا ንዓይ ጽቡቕ ሓጊዙኒ
I think for therapy, what we used was swim. Even at his school, the school that he had a pool. So, and he was in a school after he was diagnosed at 2. So they had a pool, and we taught him to swim when he was, I don't know, a year and a half. We took the mommy and me swim. But after that, he took formal training. And so anytime he's feeling like he needs some time to calm down, he goes and he picks up his swim shorts, and then he goes to the pool. He goes to his teacher and he says, "This is what I want," and then he'll go swim. And now he goes swimming every day at the YMCA. Every day, Monday through Friday, they go swimming.
Thank you, Autism Mom and User. نتم English date سمعوا ناي horseback riding حتتكم كاني أوتيزم مام قوالا بتعمل فتيات طويلة يوزر كا فتينا يوجن كم زي لعل بلا نجار هايت سلدي فوتو تعرف ميكونن عفوتون نسو ناب محنباسي حيلو محنباس كا حساب حتي حت مع التوي حنبسي ويلاتنا
حبيب حتى لنا نعخه كنديك زيد عسخه غازيت اني خوينكا انترفيو كتقول الله خدا اسمع الله خدا
Yes.
he's pretending so تحت يا خم لسه
I know تاديك حتى دلي نايودات بزح حفلة ስለዘይ ብለይ እንዴ ምናልባት ከም ሓገዝ ዝደሊ ሰብ ተሎ መታን ክምሃር እቶም ኣወዳትሲ ንኣብነት ከምዚ ዓይነት ስምዒታት ክስምዖም ከሎስ እቲ ለበሎም ይፈላለ ድዩ ወይስ ካፍቲ ናትካ ተመክሮ ማለት እዩ ኣብቲ ክላሳት ድጎበዙ ናሽቱ ኩሉ ክትርኢ ስለትኽእልስ ኩሎም ድዮም ወይስ እቲ ኣዌርነስ ከዓ ወሳኒ እዩ
ይፈላለ እዩ ካብ ቆልዓ ናብ ቆልዓ ኩሉ ነገር ኣብ ልክዕ እታ ከምቲ ካልእ ዘሎ ኣብቲ ሴክሹዋሊቲ ክመን ልክዕ ከምኡ እዩ ኢትስ ደ ሴም ገሊኦም ኣግሬሲቭ ዝኾኑ ኣለዉ ገሊኦም ከምዚ መራ ከምዚ ብብዝሒ ዘለዎ ገሊኦም ከዓኒ ኦብሰስድ ይኾኑ እቲ ስምዒት ድመፆም ከምዚ لمثال فلاش كجبرون كله زهون عن الدمس خصمعون كله تهاوهسي الله خمزي مسو أبسس دخونوا الله ما تجيب بزفيه سو كم زخم زخات تبلي عيد خلني حنا قلنا يا تا أقداسة انتهى لتقولاس كم كون كله سي كم يركا ديل تجبر مستوالات لك كم تمبع بكم ترلام دوك كم تخد مال زين لك كأول حد في اللي يقولون كان تشالنجيو قل تابو كمز وانو خاني تم ولد بزعبو خزارو يحفرو actually بتي سدرابيتات إذا نقولي is okay normal نقول إيو إلكان خطرد دخل يخبر زيادة نتوم مسؤول سوى حسابات ماتيو فلا بتناتنا حبرة سب تخيلوا كل حنينو ناتنا حبرة سب كن مرة كبيديو انتم ولدي لازم نقول نورمالايز نمبر ملي سركرو
I think it's the Pepsi.
sorry
زعلالات زي أو أوتيزم ما تفلتيه مش سنايت يتغمايو أتليست كمان فت كله كم زي نقرات دحرقاتهم كم يجرا ديل تجبر بزاو تنبت جدا ويكاني إذا بسمعت الله سكت كملوا تفتن مالتيو إنه وين حق زعلنا مالتينو
what مار الله I hope
حبيب نسخاتكم حديثة عب تمرتي سلرخونكا كمزي تماساسالين تعشم ميثود تتقوم مالتري
of course ከምኡ እዩ እንት ዩዘር ትብሎ ዝነበረት አሎ ሩት ትብሎ ዝነበረት አሎ እዚ ናይ ደቂ ኣንስትዮ ከምቲ ኦቲዝም ትብሎ ዝነበረት ኩሉ ጥቀመሉ ኢኻ ከምዚ ካብ ቆልዓ ናብ ቆልዓ ስለዝፈላለዩ ከዓ ገሊኦም መራያ ችግሩኻ ኦልሞስት ከምዚ ንመዓልቲ 4-5 ግዜ ከምኡ ዝደልዩ ቆልዑት ኣለዉ ያው ቀሊል ኣይኮነን أنت بحنت تحتت نرا قلعة هذه حنت أدت تحتت نرا عشان تقلعة سي نشتاق يمكن نفسي تناقض دايبر كده فيلس الحرج بليه جي شو خا دايبر تزي غيره so he start to touch himself قال لا كل شيء عملت قال لي مثلا أنا ها كم زي حاسير مرسيه بيانيرا مو دايبر كاب غرفو دايبر كأنكم تايت جلس لزخانة قرب زبالة بتاعتين حجركي غير كله it might help لنا يرانو جي user قال stand حال كماتي تقول عس diaper كتب for the لكن he's touching himself because diaper سلز قدفتو نستنتهي تجبرت حاش
ود سلسة عمت يوي
سلسة دي ولا حمشتها سلسة عمت
Yeah, I think that's at that age. I mean, I feel like that's self-exploring.
I think they just سلسة عمت.
Yeah, it's normal. I think even typical children do that. It's self-exploring and they exploring their body.
ኣብ 3 ዓመት ኖርማሊ ታሽ ማውዳትኩም ታሽ ምትወሩ ከምዚ ብታንተ ምስ ወፀዲ ወላ ዳይፐር ምስ ወፀ ገለክ ታሽ ከምዚ ሓድሽ ነገር ኮይኑ ይስማው ገደፈ ኩሉ ግዜ ምስ ረኣያ ክገድፎ እዩ
that belongs to him.
Yeah.
It's not going anywhere.
Nothing new. حدث هيكون زي كرفاي.
It's a good conversation anyway. Michelle.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys. Have a great night.
Thanks so much.
It's time to go for our walk.
بزحنا تمرنا
Thank you user. تعاملنا نمسكن.
Thank you for allowing me.
user حفتي thank you مو follow لك الله مسئنا. Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate the platform. I appreciate it.
حمينا أستوكا وتزمام من thank you. Yeah. أنا خاوتا ويتويتي بالني رخ زارب قريت عامة ولا حاجة نتعمل إننا نقصلو يلا.
هو أتوقع كنا أتفايا please. Thank you. تاكسي قرب ركاب كنه بكاسي حدش نجارات تبلنا مالتي أبزي سالسة تمهرنا ترى ديك أنا هخون كابزي.
كنهون يا استيكوا.
أوكي. إتوم قولسي يقدفوا مالو ترى ديكونه أب يوغندا وسيدهم. نسال الصورة تشتور هنا حدا عمت يقدفهم ترى ديكونس كيقدفهم كله كم زي دملا ورقة application مشاركة بيت مرتي تمسك كل خان قولسي كلنا ميديكال هيستريناتهم ناي ولدي next of kin Peter فأنا emergency contact قالك قديف كأخذ خيد مش عفتي بيت مرتي حدين عاي تراس إنه منس next of kin كدولو مالتي دخلنا قال ترعقات إمو أبزي ناي يوغانا تقبل اللوجين تغلى دملا ورقة يلن دمزجاب نجار يلن كلنا بقليل ودا ولا حنتي ملياس قلعهم مسايلو إلى كونتراكت انتاش تفرارهم مستولد يلن كله بقاليات ودو ولا ناي كفلت ولا ناي تنقلعت أو قريفهم مقمصو مالتي حاجة خفتي تمالي قد متمال زارب الناسي دحري 3 شهور حدي حدا عمت كيدومسي قلعة قدفكم لي انت ولدكم سنتاهم كتبلو اتم ولدي مالتي مناتس ولا حدا يلن كمزي ريكورد بهالي نجار يلن مس أجري فيو تمسكيو نيرو بزعلت بزمعلت قلقت ولا الخن دبلو نجار تول كم ولادي مالتي ولا حتى نجار يلن حجز ولا أفتي سرار حون بتعمي كندي نجلجنس على حجز I don't know نعي كمولاديت نبي حكيتهاش مجرني I was shocked إتي كلنا جرا shocked جبرني إذا خا زيادة مالتي توسخي
واو قلنا فهمت عن توي زبلتوسي عبزي بعلفي عبزي ميكاسي ناتو والعا أبع مديو أبشد شور همتيم تشك قبرو ويم انتي عينت كمي عينت ليفن ناتو النبابران ناتو سيتويشن انجرناتاس تشك قبرو ويم كاز ولا ون وحد يكون